Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and today I'm going to share with you this slim folio album. About a year ago I uploaded a tutorial on this folio which is now on sale for a few days. You can check it out on the link below in the description area. On this video class I worked using a paper collection by Stamperia, but for this flip through I used a digital paper collection which is absolutely so pretty. It has floral patterns and soft pastel colors. You can definitely use paper collection of your choice to decorate your album. This album measures 21 by 21 centimeters. On the cover there is a photo frame with acetate where you can add your picture 10 by 15 centimeters or 4 by 6 inches. So let's take a look. On the left section there is a pocket where you can add small photo mats, cards for wishes, depending always on the theme of your album. In my case, it's a made to order for a baby girl and I made these cards for the family to write wishes. These flaps open like so and you can see beautiful places to add pictures in different sizes. On the right section I created a small pocket using a flower which I fuzzy cut from a piece of patterned paper. Here is a beautiful booklet and right here is a big photo mat. I absolutely love these backgrounds. So guys, go check out the tutorial and I hope you will enjoy this video class. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!